This property is a 3-bedroom, 3 full baths, and 1/2 bath, colonial. This property is listed for $1,250,000. Interior features of this property include a separate laundry room, wood flooring, a formal dining room, an eat-in kitchen, multi-unit zone central air conditioning, a full basement, crown molding, a bar, natural gas heat, a gourmet kitchen, and a workshop. On the outside, this property features an attached garage, a fenced yard, a deck, and horse facilities. The approximate square footage is 2,430 square feet.